All right, what's going on, guys? So today's project is filling up a dozer with some diesel. So I got a buddy that he's got some property, got some land here. I'm not sure how many acres, but he's doing a good bit of clearing. And as you can see there, he's got that dozer back there, and that's what he's been using to, pretty much clear all of his land. So. Like I said, that's his dozer. He got the truck sitting there. He doesn't have a transfer tank or anything, so he can't transport diesel, but I do. So I usually, come out here and and fill him up whenever he needs it, just about once a week. He really don't run it that much. He usually on the weekend he'll run it Saturday and Sunday. So like I say, he usually let me know when he needs some diesel, and I'll come out here and fill him up. So he's made a lot of progress out here since first started. I remember a while back I let him borrow my tractor, and he kind of did a little bit of clearing here, but wasn't able to do too much with it. But that dozer, you're able to push a whole lot more and get a whole lot more done with that thing. So I guess I'll walk y'all around and kind of show y'all a little bit of what he's done. He's done a good bit of clearing here now. This looks pretty good. So I remember this was just about all, just all covered in trees. So yeah, originally it was just a dirt trail just going right along through there, and it goes up, up the hill there. But like I say, he's done a good bit of clearing here. He's made a lot of progress. I think he's gonna leave this maybe, or maybe try to dig it out. That'd be a nice little spot to just keep that nice little pond here. So I think he's got one more spot here to kind of get. I don't know if he's gonna leave that one or not, but I know he's got this little spot to get. I know he said he was kind of really didn't want to go into that, just because it kind of caves in. He was saying he didn't want to get the dozer in there, get stuck or anything. So, but yeah, this would be a nice little spot for him. The nice little pond, to get out here with a backhoe or mini X and dig that out a little bit. So yeah, he has, like I say, he has made a lot of progress. This was all just about trees out here. So all right, so let's go fill her up with some diesel. How it sits beside the truck. I'm assuming this is similar to a D4 maybe. I don't know too much about dozers. I guess you guys in the comments could see the comparison and see the size of this thing. I mean, like I say, it's about the same length as my truck, a little taller. It's a nice dozer. I'm not sure what year it is. But yeah, very nice. We'll stretch her out a little bit. Just like that. All right, so that's just about it. We'll put everything back up, put the hose up. It's pretty simple. Like I say, it's not that bad. It's just like filling up your car or your regular truck. Yeah, like I say, I'm not sure what year this thing is, or I don't know. It's a John Deere 650K LGP. The tracks. All right, so I'm working on my triple axle trailer here. So I had a few things that I had to do to it. First off, I already did this. The jack here was bent on it, so I put a new jack on here. It's a 5,000 pound capacity jack. So what's the old one? It's a little old, rusted out and bent. Here's the new one. So now I'm working on pulling this old cable out of this winch. There's the new one. This battery's dead, so I have to pretty much jump it off and hook it up to my truck. So like I say, I already got all the cable out of here. That's a little pin that's holding that in there, so I pretty much have to screw this out really quickly and get that loose. That way I can get in there. It just eases that. So now I'll take this off and run that through there and do the same. All right, so I ran across the issue. This new cable that I bought was a whole lot thicker than the old cable that came out. So with that being said, this hole that where the cable feeds through was way too small. So what I did was pretty much just drilled the hole, made it a little wider. Now we'll feed our cable. Pretty much feed our cable through there now. Yeah. I'll feed it through there now. That way it fits. All right, so I was gonna leave that cable, the length that it is now. I was gonna leave it like that and just put my ring on the end, kind of tie my ring to the end of it. But after thinking, I don't know why I didn't think of this earlier. I'm actually probably just gonna cut that cable, cut it to where it's a little shorter, and just put my ring there on the end. Like I said, just gonna leave it that length and just kind of tie it up in the front. I do want to get all up under the winch, but matching rims and tires for this trailer. When I got it, it was already like this. The two middle tires are the same, and the ones in the front and back are the same, so they're all kind of different. But I do want to get, like I say, all matching wheels and tires on this trailer. But they're so expensive, and I have to get 6 instead of 4, like on this trailer. I do need to get this. This is the spare tire actually for this trailer. The original tire over here went flat, so I'm not sure if it needs another tube or what. I think so. So I get a new tube in that one, and that'll be an easy repair. New tube, throw some air in it, jack this trailer up, and take that spare off. That way I got another good spare Still need to put this gooseneck to work. This toolbox is for my buddy's truck that's over there. So I think that's about it. The lawn care setup. I did go out and cut a yard yesterday, so got everything loaded. Things loaded and ready to go.